Hello, this is Eric with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management for the San Francisco Bay Area. Right now I'm walking up to 903 Anza, apartment B, which is in the back of the 2-unit building, 903 Anza. We have a video and pictures of that as well on the site. I'm walking up to this cottage, really cute here. Let's walk in. Again, this is a studio and very ample spaced studio. You got the stainless refrigerator, microwave, nice deep sink, lots of cabinetry space in the kitchen area. And then if you switch over, and you can see that there's a good amount of room for bed, TV, etc. There is an electric heater on the corner. And then let's go into the bathroom, shower, and sink, and of course we call it. 903 Anza apartment B is in the backyard of this 2-unit building, right? That's in front. As you can see, there's lots of entertainment. You have the chickens here, and then you have skateboard park, hot tub, which may or not be available, so talk to your agent about that, and a little cabana that you can have friends over and have a couple of drinks. But anyway, super cute apartment, and best of all, you're right next to the beach. You are literally right next to the beach. So nice little beach area for you. All right, there's storage available, there's washer and dryers available, so let us know. All right, cheers.